When I first heard of Alex Ramirez from the Lean community and from Paul Akers, I was like, whoa, I gotta see this for myself. Hi, I'm Willie Peters. I'm the CEO of Lamar Trailers. Witnessing what he had done over there in Houston was eye-opening. I got to see firsthand what it's like to create a lean culture, and that's what we needed here at Lamar Trailers. Alex and I, we've gone to Japan and studied lean, and he's also been here at Lamar Trailers and has consulted us. When he leaves, I feel like there's just a couple of things that I can put in place that I can do that really move the needle. So not only does Alex know theories, but he's also been doing it. He's been in the trenches and he's shown us how to do it in real life. And that's what I really appreciate about him. And he can take things that are complex and put it into simple terms for me. That makes such a big difference. So thank you, Alex, a lot for what you've done for Lamar Trailers, and I would highly recommend anyone that's looking to get into optimizing your operations, creating a better standard for quality and doing it very efficiently, and most importantly, taking the team members you have and getting them on board and having an engaged culture. Alex is your man.